by Kate Fletcher. Today is Project Share Sunday, so let me show you what I've been up to. So the first thing I had to do this week was 3 cards for a friend. The brief was lawn bowls, so I've done this one here, and Scotty dogs. So we have this really cute little one here, and we also have the Scotty dogs in a heart with happy birthday in the middle. So I did those ones. And then I couldn't resist playing with those stencils that I'd bought last week from Printable Heaven, and I made this one here. I'm having to really crack on with Christmas now because my Christmas card list is growing faster than I can actually make the cards. So I've made this one. It was quick, simple. I really like it, and that can go in my stash. And then because it was the first week of July already, the Facebook group that I'm part of had its challenges for this month set out. So I've had a go at this one. I've used Christmas Village to create this card because I absolutely adore the collection, as you know. And then you open it up and look how cute. Now this is called a pop-up book card because obviously it pops out like a book, and I absolutely love it. Message goes on the back there. That's obviously the front, and as I showed you, it pops out. So I absolutely love that card. I think I'm going to have to make some more because I really like it. It's quite chunky. I think to post you'd probably want a large stamp. It is only a 6x6 card, but because of the bulk inside, it'd probably take a large stamp, but that's not really a problem. And then on Carol Ann's channel, Cad Crafts, she put up a tutorial for how to make this. This is a mini album. Now I also saw this week a tutorial on Laura's channel, and I do want to do that one as well, but I don't have enough cereal boxes at the moment. So that's on the back burner and I'm saving my boxes, and I will do that one. But for now, I've done this. So it was a really easy to follow tutorial. I've used the Circus collection by Craft Consortium because I love this. I have personalised the front because I'm sending it for my niece in New Zealand. But I'm going to give you a little flip through of the book. Okay, so I have left a lot of these plain for photos because I liked the idea that she could just put a photo on here. And I really like these papers. I think they are so pretty, it seemed a shame to cover them up. But what I have done at a few places in the book, I have put these like little bits where she can tuck mementos like ticket stubs or like, I don't know, the wristband from the hospital, that kind of thing. I've done a big side one there. So again, she can put flat things in there, or if she has a load of photos printed off and she doesn't have time to just whack them all in, she could tuck them in there. But there's a few through the book. There's another one there, and then I used the washi tape up there that came with the collection. But look how cute this is. I am so happy with this. And then there's one last pocket on the back page, and again the washi. So it was a really nice way to use up a really nice collection. I'm definitely going to make more of these actually, because I think they'll make quite nice presents for Christmas. So I'm going to make some more for family members, especially the ones that have got young children. But yeah, really happy with that. So thank you very much, Carol Ann, for the tutorial on that. I will link the tutorial I used in the description box of this video. But that is what I've made this week. I just want to apologise really quick for the fact there isn't much content going up at the moment. I mean, as you can see, I'm not creating a lot at the moment. I have got a 1-year-old and it's really difficult to get anything done, let alone film YouTube videos. I know I lost a couple of subscribers this week, and that's quite upsetting when I've worked quite hard to, you know, get to where I am, but it's inevitable, I think, when I can't upload as much as I'd like to. I have got so many ideas for things I want to do, it's just finding the time. So I'm really sorry that there's not as many uploads coming at the moment, but hopefully when things settle down I'll be able to get back to normal. So thank you very much for sticking with me, thank you for not unsubscribing, thank you for watching what I do put up, and thank you for commenting, because I really like chatting to you all in comments. I like getting to know you all. I could list who my top regulars are because I know you on every video. So yeah, thank you for staying with me, and I'm sorry for the lack of content, but that is literally what I made this week, just those few things. So I hope you are all safe, I hope you're all well, and I will be back soon with a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye for now.